Going to a third time appointment, cleaning my teeth. Downtown Bradenton. Umaga na, 7 o'clock. Ito na ako, waiting. Tawagin siya sa ako. Grabe naman yun.
See more Layla than you do your friends. You don't look like you're in much pain today.
I have 2 and 3.
Oh.
5, told you I had 5 shots today.
Yeah, but it didn't look like you don't look like you're in that much pain like the other day.
No, not really.
It's all done, huh?
Yeah. Uwi na muna kami. Bye-bye. Really? No one yet?
Oh, there was some other ones, but
Going to Dollar Tree. What's in Dollar Tree? Siyempre, lahat. Tig $1. $1.25 lahat ng tinda dito. Kailan tayo mag-open yan? No? Pinabang namin. Chicken. Flower studying. Flower studying.
4-pack of orange if they have it, or no?
I have still there too.
You don't want it?
Not for now. Just Dollar Tree is just closed. I can walk. Spring roll is
You
alive.
want me to get 2 or 3?
3.
3?
Eat some of it. Okay. Spring roll. I like this pala. Nagbago isip ko. Coffee. Ito na lang. O agad. It's chocolate. Ayan.
I don't know.
Maya mag-paint pala ako ng nails ko. Pintuhan tayo sa aking journey, sa aking palinis ng ngipin, ng appointment for check-up. First, pangalawa, tapos linis. Nakalima akong appointment. So, kwento ko sa inyo mamaya yung nangyari sa lahat ng procedure ko dahil sobra. For the drain, for the basta. Dito muna kami sa Dollar Tree. Punta tayo pag uwi ko. Kasi yung ngipin ko hindi pa heal. Masakit pa.
Sun drop?
Na.
Huh?
It's strawberry?
You don't like the sun drop?
No.
Remember, it tastes like Mountain Dew? You don't want that one? You want this one?
Yeah. But actually, you're the one who gonna keep drinking that, so it's your decision. Because me, it took me for long before I finished my drink.
Yeah, because it goes flat. You got soda in the refrigerator that's flat.
Look at the flower. Going to buy some of the ingredients for our pancit. Kasi we're going to my friend tomorrow to celebrate the Easter Sunday. Well, Easter Sunday bukas. So it's Saturday right now here in America. Pero mamayang hapon, linggo na agad mamaya sa Pinas. Pero since we are here, it's Saturday now in the morning, 9:38 time check. So we're driving now para bilhin yung kulang na ingredients para sa aking pancit. And one thing also, he motivated to get up because he wanted an ice cream. Gusto niya kumain ng ice cream. Kahapon pa siya nag-crave ng ice cream ko sa ref. Kinain niya, tapos may natira. Sabi niya, wala na, baka di mo alam. Siya ko meron, sabi niya, di mo alam, baka yung laman niya noodles o kaya soup. Pilipino ka na pala ngayon. Alam mo na yung pag-open ng Tupperware, isda yung laman. Sabi niya. Tawa siya na tawa. So we're getting head up now. So update you again later. Strawberry sweet lavera. Ang init. So, good morning. But it's so sunny morning here in Florida. Aldi's. Bira lang kayo pumunta sa Aldi. That's a food supermarket also. Doon katapat na lang is Walmart. Doon yung Walmart. Doon sa unahan yung Dewalers. Hindi naman makita. So, dito kami mamili. Konti lang naman. Aldi's. Daddy. Char. Daming birds. Mga birds dito naninira ng basura. Yeah, we should be careful. Ang laman sa loob ng Aldi's. Malalaki yung tinda dito. $1 na say. Wow. That's a carrot? Yeah, carrots. Yan yung bibili namin eh. Yan. Mga malalaki dito. Bultuhan din yung iba. Pero, ayun, tulad yan, malalaki. Lamig. Oh, mangga. Ayun yung laman dito. This is sideway of fruits. All of these fruits and then vegetables also. Separate. Malalaki yun. Yan, ang laman ng Aldi's dito sa Florida. Yeah, that should be fine. The what? Yeah, 129. Can I? The other one. Oh, this one. It's better. Thank you. Yun naman mga fruits. That's a bread side. And then dito naman mga dressing. Ito naman dressing pa din. Yan tulad yan. Mga beans. Tapos chocolate. Yan. Quackers. Yung pang breakfast meal, oatmeal. Diyan sa side na yan. Tapos may drinks doon. And then, dito na part yun gamit sa bahay. O, ito naman mga peanut, chocolate, yung pang dip sa bread. What is that? This one? Where is that? Need to look it up the chicken. Ito naman mga cotton, diaper, tissue. Dito chocolate and house things. Ito rice. Diyan ako bumili rice before. And then, dito, yan, magkakaiba. And rings here. This is not the first time we'll come over here. Parang best na pumunta dito. And then, all the frozen, and nuggets, ice cream yung dulo. Favorite? Alam na. And then, dito mga wines. Maliit lang siya, pero malalaki yung tinda. Yung bultuhan siya. Na sulit talaga yung per one piece of, product. Dito mga milk, almond. It's almond milk. Juice or pineapple juice, and in here water. Before ito, minibili ko na water. Kaya yan. Yan meron ako niyan, dalawa sa bahay. Yan lang. And then all the sides. Then may have frozen hot dogs. All the sides is chicken. Oh, that one. Are they the same only? Dito walang quality. Kung ano yung mura, yun na yun. Yeah, this one. Drinks. Wala yung water flavor. This one only. No other flavored water. Berry, lemon. Lemonade. Yung mga favorite colored water niya. Pero wala dyan yung gusto niya. Yan. And then all that are frozen.
Carrots?
Yeah, carrots only. They're all frozen. Ayun, yan yung laman dito. Yun lang, maliit lang. And then cashier na yun doon. Tapos na. Yun lang, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 station lang siya. Then, yun. And then this one, frozen din siya. Ito gamit. Frozen. Ibang nuggets tsaka fries. Nuggets, chicken nuggets. Ito yan, shrimp. Yan, frozen din yung laman dito. Ito, malalaki. Diba? Sobrang laki. Yan. $149 only. All this. This is good. And then yung malalaking ice cream. This is what you said. You said, I'm gonna buy a big ice cream like bigger than my bucket. This one. Okay, you like that one? O, diba? Bumili na siya ng ice cream. Yeah, can go.
Is that it?
Yeah. Yan mga gamit. Ayan, magulo lang.
Broccoli seeds, carrots.
Pila na kami for the payment. Kami pila na. Hold the body. Taga hold. Where's your ice cream? Let's go. Pila. Pero tatlong items lang talaga. Look at this. Crispy squawk. Fast choy. Let's go. This is the normal sauce only. Balik na kami, uwi na. Yun lang ang bibili namin. Dahil sa carrots, kailangan lang namin yan. Pati gagawa ako ng pansit para bukas. So, sila $129 lang. Tapos ito $4. Chicken na to. Ayan na, $4.51. Ding sale. Like the runner in the rain sands, something me try to feel like the furnace in the sun. Sarap malab. Masarap.
There's a chip. There's a chocolate Reese's or whatever cup.
Sunset today. Kasi pupunta tayo sa kaibigan ko. We're gonna celebrate Easter Sunday. So, maga akong gumising dahil luto na. Kahapon ko pa yan ginayat. Okay na to. Sarap. Morning, Pomero. Gala mo ng person. Happy Sunday. Happy Easter Sunday today. And Sunday ngayon sa America. There's coming. They're just... Trees are so beautiful. Katulog pa ako mga 30 minutes. guys. Wala, video-video lang ta. Ay, may pailaw. Ayan, go. Kaya Easter Sunday. All good. With rice. And then kids. What's your name? What's your name again? What's your name again? Why you hiding? And then Ate. What's your name? Let's see you. Hindi ko alam ang tawag sa laro na yan.
Now in the back. Fill the rest over here.
Okay. It's sunny in Florida. Ay, may palaroan din doon. Merienda, merienda. Himagas. Sa bus, karaoke time.
Settled for a booger in a great snow cone. Dropped her off early, but I didn't go home. Down by the river on a Friday.
An egg. Look at that. What's that? Bunny, bunny. Bunny, bunny. Smile. Smile, ate, ate. Can I see? Oh, do you want to see? Nag-open na sila dyan pa lang. Ay, no. Here! Oh, nag-hunting na sila ng egg kanina. Nag-unboxing sila ng mga regalo.
Don't worry about
Dong, there's more here!
the eggs. Pick up the eggs. Don't worry about the ears. More eggs, more eggs. Over here, Jaden.
There's more here. Egg. Oh, di nila nakita. Oh, nakita niya na doon, oh. Oh, yung lolo niya yan. Tsaka yung papa nila. Nagdo-drone shot. Bismillah, ah! Andito pa, oh. Mga viewers lang kami dito. Asa man, naglantawag eh. Nawagi kay kuha. Sinusundan niya yung camera. Bakit din sa camera tumitingin? Dudong! Big guy, Dudong! Si Jidin! Sa camera lang tumitingin, hindi sa itlog. Dara ng igdong, oh! Doon sa likod. Ano ba ito? Ito. Ayun pa, ayun, oh. Ayun sa likod. Ayun, Dong! Ayun, nakatayo. Wala na, nauna ka na ni ate. On our way home. Happy Easter Sunday again.